Okay, you've ordered a website and now you're trying to figure out how to go in and make changes and do all kinds of stuff to this. We use a system called Joomla. Joomla is very easy to go in and make changes and do things, and it's almost like basically typing an email. And I know you're going to say, yeah, right, sure, but I think once you get into it, you'll actually see that it's really that easy. First thing that you're going to get is your login, and if you notice, your website name or your name should be up here where it says Insurance Pro Manager. So I'm going to log in, and actually Katie or someone in the office here should have given you that information. Okay, so I'm logged in. This is your control panel. And this is where you'll come to make a lot of changes. And I'm just going to go in this initial video, just kind of show you a few things around in here. So first thing you see is add new article manager. And this is really the two main things that you would be working with. When you hear article, think web page. That's basically what an article is inside of Joomla, is a web page. Front page manager, you really won't, I'll go into this later, but you really won't use this as much. Or section manager. Also category manager. We don't really use that in this system. You could, but in the current setup that we have, you really don't need to use that. Media manager, you will use that. We'll go into that as far as, this is where you're going to insert your pictures and things like that you would want to add to your site. Across the top, you've got your toolbar, which this will bring you back to where you're at now, the control manager. And you can see the different things here as far as menus. We'll go into menus because you can actually edit and change your menus around on your website. Content, so here's your article manager, things that you see there. Extend, this is something that you would need to use as far as your health insurance links. Extend and articles is where you would go to do that, and we'll show you how to do that in a video as well. Extensions, module manager, this is where you would change things like your phone number, the logo on the front of your website, the copyright information at the bottom. This is all where those are modules on the page. In other words, they're in a certain place on every page. That's why we call them a module. So sit back and as I said, this is just basically an introductory video to kind of show you around on your control panel, and some of the others we'll go through as far as how to make a page, how to edit your menu, how to put in your links. We'll try to keep these short so it'll allow you to be able to get as much information and be able to back up and kind of stay on topic as far as what you're searching for. So again, this is the introductory video to your new website using Joomla.